good, notification gang? Welcome back to my channel. So let's just jump right into it. So today I'm having an exam. It's actually a French test. I don't know why I'm saying, oh, this camera, it can't stay put, you guys. What's good, notification gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy the video and hit the subscribe button once you're done. Okay, don't forget, okay, otherwise I'm coming for you. Okay. All right, let's just jump into it. Salut, je m'appelle Kaale, et toi? J'ai 25 ans. I'm 25 years of age. Et toi? What about you? Tu as compris? Oui, j'ai compris. Do you understand? Yes, you understand. So yeah, anyway guys, we're using, this is the exercise book that I normally use just to go through some of the contents and just familiarize myself with this. There's also the textbook. Yeah, the textbook is here. And yeah, this is the textbook. Yeah, so you can buy these guys and learn on your own if you don't want to pay for French school, but it's quite really affordable at Alliance Française. You can have the private classes, you can have classes with other students as well, like public classes, and they have discounts for students as well. And well, if you're the public, no discount for you. Sorry, good sis or good brother. But yeah, you know, it's really been a pleasure to learn, and I'm still learning. It's really nice. It's exciting. Sounds sexy, and it's very good for professional use as well. So why not learn, you guys? So I'll just put down the link for Alliance Française on my description, so that in case you are keen to study as well, so you can just check it out. Hi guys, so I'm in Alliance Française for my test, like I told you guys earlier. So yeah, this is the outside area. So let's step into my class so that you can see exactly how it looks also inside. So this is how my class looks like. That's my classmate Stanky. So we are studying before our test comes through. Maybe I should sit somewhere here where I can copy properly. But yeah guys, this is it. Nobody's still here, you know, the early birds. So yeah, let me study guys. Catch you later. I hope you did enjoy the video and my prep for my test. See you. Bye. Thanks for watching.
You know. I begin to. I begin to.